Share the gospel, not the gossip. So this is the campaign that the Lord put in my heart a few months ago. And actually it portrays the fact that many who claim themselves to be Christians are not born again. Beloved, as you know, those who do not have the Spirit of Christ, the Spirit of the Lord, do not belong to Him. For it is written in the Holy Scriptures. Are you still indoctrinated by philosophy, by books, or sugar-coated preachings from here and there? Are you taken away from the truth? The truth that sounds like a wicked way to attack you? The truth that would set you free if you would acknowledge it and if you wouldn't be blinded by the works of the enemy, by the lies of Satan. For all of this is written in the Holy Scriptures, beloved. Are you truly born again? Do you know who Jesus Christ is? The true living God, not the one depicted by the preacher, by the teacher, the leader, or whoever who is corrupted in the church. Have you met Him? Have you put Him in the first place in your heart, in your life? Do you live for Him? Do you build up your life upon Him? For He is the rock of the church. For He is the foundation of the church. For He is the head of the body of Christ. For He will be back soon. Are you ready to meet with the groom? Is your lamp still on fire? Have you departed from your faith, the initial one? Have you examined yourself? Are you still gossiping, fornicating, drinking, lying, slandering, mocking others, despising others, and so on? Are you an idolater? Are you a worshipper of the devil by embracing the commodities of this world, by living in the flesh? Are you led by the spirit of lust, jealousy, envy, and every sin that the Lord hates? What the Lord hates, you must hate. What the Lord loves, you must love. For this is only by having faith in the Lord and obeying His commands that you are saved. And again, for it is written in the Holy Scriptures, beloved, if we love God, His commandments will not be a burden for us. It will be a pleasure to apply them in each area of our lives on a daily basis. For this world is not our household. For we are to be prepared to His coming.